Let's say we got these two objects right here. We got a black box and a white box, and they might be overlapping. Now let's say you want this black box to be to the front. Well, simply go right click and go to Arrange and click on Bring Forward. The shortkey to move an object forward is Ctrl-Command right bracket. And to move an object backwards, you need to press Ctrl-Command left bracket. You also have the option of choosing Bring to Front. Bring to Front will put the object in front of all objects, instead of the smaller steps with Bring Forward. You could also use the keyboard shortcuts to do this. In this case, we only got two objects, so it doesn't matter which option you choose. To get an overview of all the objects, head up to the window and click on Layers. Then you will get this tab. Unfold the layers, and there you have got all your objects. You could reorder these by just simply dragging them in the preferred order. You could also make additional layers for objects. To give the layer another title, double click on the current title and fill in your own preferred title. Making layers for each object is useful, for example for importing in other software like After Effects, but also to make and create a quick and easy overview of all your objects. To move an object to a newly created layer, just drag them from the old layer and release them in the new layer.